folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am here to do a product overview for you guys on the MBS Magnum cook stove. Couple things I want to point out. This model is not actively UL listed. It has been through UL testing, but the certificate basically expired on that. So it has been through the testing process, but it's not actively UL listed. Please check with your homeowner's insurance to make sure that that is no issue for you. This is going to be a cast iron model that is imported from Serbia. This is available just in painted sides for right now. They do have soapstone, however, due to shortages in 2022, we are unable to get it, and we are unsure of when the stone will be available again in the future. Colors are going to be available in burgundy, which is what I have shown here, and also in red, which is going to be more like a bright kind of fire engine red, maybe more like my dress here. It's also available in black or cream, and also a green color as well if you're looking for a green stove. Green is not a stocked option for us though, so that would be a special order. Please keep that in mind. This is going to be a top or a rear vent cook stove. It is going to have a fully gasketed door here. The firebox is going to be cast iron lining, and this is also basically a cast iron stove. Cooktop, firebox, doors are all going to be cast iron. The body of the stove here, you can see this kind of pedestal base that the stove is sitting on is actually a separate little frame. So that's kind of unique. That's a little bit different than any of the other pedestal base model stoves that we offer. It's going to have just one single removable lid on the cook surface, so it doesn't have the multi-style removable rings for like wok style cooking. It does have a nice large baking oven, and it's going to be an enamel lined. Your oven cleanout's located right here on the top, and then is also accessible from below here. This model does come with the two pans, so it has the wire rack as well as the enamel pan, which you can see here. Nice. Actually, this is like a pretty wide pan, so you can see this for comparison. You can fit, a pretty decent amount of food inside this baking oven. You are just going to have your main damper controls. You have 3 of them. This is going to be your air wash located at the top. This is going to be your primary air, which pulls the combustion air from underneath. And then here is going to be your oven damper control. So when it is going to be pulled out, that's going to circulate the heat around the oven. When it's pushed in, that's going to push the heat up the chimney. If you guys enjoy these videos, please don't forget, give me a quick little thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.